Something took it for... Jesus Christ. Bloody heck. See that, guys? Hopefully, done tore everything up. Jesus, wasn't ready for that. Good morning, guys. PG here, Silverman Adventures. I'm back in the yak at Palmasola Bay. Wind's supposed to be 5 miles an hour. It's already blowing more than that. So I was going to go to Sarasota Bay, but the wind's blowing the wrong direction. There's nowhere to hide that way with the wind blowing, because you'd be way out there, you'd be fighting the wind all day. So at least I got some house boxes up here, and I can go around to the other little bay over there and see if I can catch something over there when the wind comes back up. But mainly, guys, I'm here for food. I want some sheep's head. I got some new lures I want to try and see how that goes. In other words, guys, appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. Love y'all. So let's see what happens when I get going. See ya. What do I got here, guys? Looks like I got a little snook. A little snook on my guys. Righty. Crazy fight. Took a lot out here in that crazy snook. Now my voice control don't seem to be working on my all right, this booger's strong. Oh, got him in there good. He ate this thing. Where is that thing at? It's way down in his mouth here. Well, guys, I finally got that little snookums. Look at that guy. Looking pretty good. One little fish. Bye, dude. Here he goes. Well, guys, freaking ladyfish again. Dang it, freaking ladyfish day. That's all I'm catching. Yeah. Don't want no treble hooks in me. Alrighty, got me a little trout. Okay, guys, a little bitty old trout. I mean, a little one, that's for sure. So, we'll see you, buddy. Got the maniac fish again, guys. The ladyfish. He's got himself good. With the Yozuri. Yeah, I got something better. Okay. Got me a trout, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna measure this little booger. See how long he is. Right at 15. Got me another little trout, guys. Ah, yeah. Alrighty, another trout, guys. He ain't big enough. Bye, dude. Well, guys, key to my old faithful spot. Got a trout. Ugh. He's off. Come here, you. Oh guys, little trout here. Here we go. Dang it, come here. Oh guys, it splashed the lens, splashed everything. Keeper mangrove. Keeper mangrove. Okay guys, caught me that keeper mangrove, 12 inches. Going to get me some more hopefully. And this, I'm in the calm part now. Been working my butt off. This wind is terrible out there. Late, about 2 foot waves. This kayak's not getting it. But I'm going to put them in the cooler. Another little snapper. Another little snapper, guys. Little video booger. Alright guys, a little snapper. Cute. Try and get another one, man. Oh guys, I knew there was another one here by this dock. Probably a couple more. I'm gonna do my thing here. Alright, you little booger. Where's your daddy? I got your brother. Alright, snapper, mangrove. Bye.